Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, sobrang excited na naman ako kasi meron na naman tayong i-feature na non-voice / admin work from home job here on my YouTube channel. And of course, this is going to be in Cyberbacker. Ayan, and guys, good news. This position is going to be under my department, which is the social media marketing division. So, kung gusto niyo po akong maka-work, masaya po akong ka-work. Sa division po namin masaya. Laging lang gutom yung mga tao. Ayan, so this is a chance for you to get to know me also. Alright. So, if you're someone who is very good in social media marketing, or you've done it in the past, or if you don't have an experience but you know that you are going to be really good and easy to train on this industry, then please do apply. Sobrang excited po ako for you guys kasi bihira lang akong mag-open ng position sa aking division na medyo matagal mapunuan. Okay? Ayan, so actually marami pong open sa division ko right now, and I will share that to everyone later sa video natin. But before anything else, again guys, I would like to invite everyone to join our Cyberbacker Career Night. What is Cyberbacker Career Night? Cyberbacker Career Night is a free online Zoom event, especially to those people na gustong mag-work from home. So kung kayo po ay curious sa Cyberbacker, gusto nyo malaman yung mga jobs na ina-offer namin, you wanna meet our recruitment team, and baka gusto nyo rin po ma-meet yung aming CEO, then this online Zoom event is definitely for you. Again, Cyberbacker Career Night is open weekly. Tuesdays and Thursdays, 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Manila time. So, what if na-miss nyo yung career night last week? Pwede pa rin ba kayo umattend sa susunod na career night? The answer is yes. All you have to do is to register on the description box below. Meron po tayong link sa baba. Nandun na po yung registration link. And also, naka-pin comment din po siya sa baba. Yan. So, scroll lang daw po kayo sa baba para makapag-register. Alright. So, ano nga ba tong exciting new admin / non-voice work from home job sa division ko, guys? Again, this is going to be under my division and we will be working together. So, I am opening the position of a social media backer. Ano nga ba yung social media backer? So, you're going to be setting up social media business pages, which can be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, etc. So, you will also be doing community management, scheduling posts, responding to messages and comments, content planning, create content plans or calendars to drive engagement and promote online brand awareness, design and create images or video content using different software like Canva, Photoshop, Illustrator, or etc., interpret and create social media reports and analytics, media planning like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Twitter ads, YouTube ads, LinkedIn ads, TikTok ads, etc. So guys, qualification for this is that you must be social media savvy. Of course, titignan ko, i-prioritize ko yung mga taong mahilig talagang gumamit ng social media channels, alright? Must be up to date with the latest social media trends. Ayan, so ako medyo matanda na ako. So, hindi ako ganun ka-updated sa ating mga social media trends, no? Mailan-ilan lang. As in, yung top 4 social media channels lang. Diyan ako updated. Pero if you're going to ask me if, like, updated ba sa TikTok trends, yan. So, wala. Wala. Zero. Ayan. So, dapat kayo po ay someone who is a well-rounded person pagdating sa mga social media trends. Also, you should have an excellent written and verbal English communication skills. Ayan, marami pong nag-i-inquire sa akin na required po ba na dapat fluent sa English, grammar, and all that. The answer is yes po kasi gagawa kayo ng like copywriting, kayo magsusulat ng mga caption, and also dapat syempre fluent po tayo. Tsaka yung mga kausap natin minsan, alam nyo na, foreigner. Craig is a foreigner. Craig doesn't understand Filipino that much. So, syempre, kapag po kausap natin sila, dapat you're conversing in English. And can use a basic design software. Ayan, so, basic design software can be like Canva or Photoshop. Ayan, so sa lahat po ng nasa division ko, lahat kami marunong gumamit ng Canva and also basic Photoshop. Ayan! So, Guys, please apply. I look forward to receiving your applications. Kapag may questions po kayo, anything about your applications or about this specific job role, please comment them on the description box below. Sa lahat po ng nag-message sa akin sa aking private Facebook account, hindi na po ako makapag-reply kasi sa sobrang daming messages po na pumapasok dun sa account ko, na-block na po ako yung Facebook para makapag-reply sa mga strangers or not in connection on my Facebook account. Sa mga nagme-message din po sa Rookie Mommy PH sa aking blog, Facebook page, hindi na rin po ako makasagot sa inyo. Pero dito po sa aking YouTube channel, sa mga comment sections, lagi po akong nagre-reply within 24 hours. Iha-heart ko pa po yung mga comment nyo para po to make sure na nasagutan ko po kayo. Alright, ayan. So, anything, how to apply and referral, please check out this video that I've made before. Ito po yung how to apply 2021 version. So, nag-update po kasi yung website namin. All you have to do is to follow the instructions that I've given on this video para po makapag-apply kayo and magamit niyo po ako as your referral. Again, guys, I don't earn anything extra kapag po nilagay niyo yung pangalan ko sa inyong application form. Alright? Tinatrack lang po namin doon kung saan nanggagaling yung mga applicants. And again, to my 9,000 YouTube subscribers, I hope you guys can apply. And sana po itong taon na to, itong hinahanap ko na social media backer ay magaling po sa inyo, sa aking YouTube subscribers. So again, guys, company standard requirements lang tayo. Kahit non-voice po ang job role na ito, kailangan po natin ng noise cancelling headset. So I am using the Logitech noise cancelling headset for years na. As in, student pa lang ako, naka-Logitech na ako ng mga headset. So again, guys, kahit non-voice po ito, this is a company standard requirement. Lahat po tayo dapat mayroong noise cancelling headset within Cyberbacker. Because even though na non-voice yung job, you are still communicating with a lot of people. Marami po tayong meetings sa division ko. So, syempre, kailangan nyo ng noise cancelling headset. And Logitech is something that I can suggest to those beginners or starting to work from home pa lang kasi it's very affordable and durable. Ayan. Disclaimer, guys, this video is not sponsored by Logitech. Ayan, sobrang love ko lang talaga yung Logitech na brand. Ayan. So, if wala naman kayong noise cancelling headset, what can you use for the initial interview? So, pwede pa rin po kayong mag-apply kahit na wala kayong noise cancelling headset. All you have to have is an earphones with mic feature. Ayan, so pwedeng Apple, Android earphones, or kahit na anong earphones. Basta po merong mic na feature din, you can use that during your initial interview. Alright? Pero po, kapag nakapasa na po kayo sa initial interview, pag napasa nyo na po yung exam after that, then that's the time for you to invest sa noise cancelling headset. Ayan, for your final interview, sana meron na kayong noise cancelling headset kasi it's an investment, guys. It's gonna be good for you. And also, if you want to impress the interviewers, please use the proper equipment. Alright? Ayan. Okay, what else do you need? Internet connection. So, in Cyberbacker, we are requiring everyone to have at least 5 Mbps internet speed and above. Pwede pa kayong mag-apply kahit meron kayong 3 Mbps and below? The answer is yes, so long as you will upgrade your internet speed kapag po na-hire or na-accept na kayo here in Cyberbacker. So, the next one is your web camera. Ayan. So, kung meron po kayong internal web camera sa inyong mga laptops, of course, you can use that. If gusto nyo naman po ng external plug-and-play web camera, of course, you can use that also para sa inyong mga PC and CPU nyo na lang siya ikakabit. Alright, so again, for any more concerns or questions about this specific job role, about social media backer, please comment them below. Promise, sasagutan ko po talaga yun. Babalikan ko kayo. Mas mataas po yung chance na ma-replyan ko kayo here on my channel versus sa aking ibang social media accounts. Alright, so there you go, guys. Please apply. Sobrang excited po akong maka-interview ng aking mga YouTube subscribers. I hope you're having a great week. This week, I will be creating more videos for you to come in the next days or weeks. Alright, so there you go, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!